Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Taking a look at our current surface analysis today, that cold front that we've been talking about for the past couple of days, and I'm sure you've heard of as well, is finally about to approach our area. Winds have already picked up ahead of that cold front. We recently saw a gust of 40 miles per hour on the island. Expecting those winds to even be a bit higher than that as we move throughout the next few hours, and going to be staying nice and breezy as we move throughout the day today and into tomorrow. Also going to be seeing some very brief rain showers moving through our area. Could initially be heavy at times when that initial band moves through, but not expected to be raining for long at all, and going to be seeing some actual clearing once that cold front moves out of the area. Expected to see more partly cloudy conditions. Looking at our upper level winds today, at 1,000 feet, we have winds coming out of the south at 11 knots, increasing pretty substantially today up to 112 knots at 25,000 feet coming out of the southwest. Our freezing level today is 7,800 feet. Looking at our visible satellite imagery, got a really pretty picture today where we can really see the definition of that cold front right here moving through our area, just off to our west at this moment. Again, already seeing those winds pick up pretty substantially ahead of the cold front, and going to be seeing those winds persist and temperatures plummet once that cold front moves through the area. Looking at our composite reflectivity today, as you can see, those little bits of rain showers are going to be moving through our area in the next couple of hours. Once they move through, however, we're going to be seeing some clearing behind that cold front. Not expected to see any further precipitation for the next 24 hours, and most likely for the next several days as well. Taking a quick look at our current radar, you can see how that cold front really is just off to our west at this point, just about to make it through our area. Going to be seeing those rain showers associated with it very shortly. Looking at our more long-term forecast model, picking back up tomorrow mornings. This is Christmas Eve morning. We're going to be seeing some very cold temperatures, but not expected to see any precipitation. Same goes for Christmas Day on Sunday. As we move into next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all looks to be about the same. Temperatures are slowly going to be rising throughout the week to try and get rid of those frigid temperatures we're going to be seeing the next couple of days. So as we move into Wednesday and Thursday of next week, slightly warmer temperatures, but still going to be staying dry in terms of precipitation. And looking at our 24-hour weather risk chart today, we saw some more overcast conditions earlier this morning. Starting to see those clouds break up a bit. Going to be seeing those rain showers in our area shortly. Going to be pretty brief, not expected to last very long. And once those move through, we're going to be seeing partly cloudy conditions for the remainder of the day and into tomorrow morning. Our temperatures did just rise up to about 50 degrees, but those are going to plummet pretty substantially once that cold front does eventually move through our area in the coming minutes to hour. Going to be seeing those temperatures drop to the low teens tonight, looking at a low tonight of about 13. So very cold temperatures, especially for our area. Our winds today, they did start out gusting up to only about 23 knots. We have been in a wind advisory since yesterday, but those winds have started to pick up pretty substantially over the last 30 minutes to an hour. And just recently we did see a wind gust up to 41 knots on the island. So very, very windy conditions out there today as well. And when we have these very cold temperatures and very high winds, going to be seeing those wind chills drop below 10 degrees Fahrenheit as well. In this time frame from about noon to 4 p.m., going to be seeing those wind chills drop off pretty rapidly, approaching 10 degrees Fahrenheit and potentially below 10 degrees Fahrenheit. As we move past that 4 p.m., today and beyond. Going to be seeing those wind chills be right around 0 or potentially just below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So very, very cold conditions. Make sure if you're going outside that you have the proper gear on, hat, coat, gloves, scarf. Definitely don't want to be caught outside in these types of conditions without the proper protection. And our tides for today are normal. As we look ahead at the next 7 days, today again, we're about to see some rain move through the area. Then it's just going to be windy and partly cloudy. High is a little tricky today, high of around 39 after noon today. So again, we're seeing temperatures about 50 right now, but our afternoon high should be right around 39, give or take, and it'll be continuing to drop as soon as that front moves through. And so once noon passes, it'll just keep on dropping. So again, a high around 39 at noon today, a low tonight around 13 degrees, so very, very cold conditions. Again, wind chills right around 0 or potentially below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, the next couple of days, that cold is going to be lingering around in our area. For Saturday, Christmas Eve, we're going to be seeing a high of only 27. Sunday, Christmas Day, high of 34. And these lows still hanging out in the teens over the next couple of days. As we move into next week, still going to be staying dry in terms of precipitation. Pretty similar days, partly cloudy days. You can see a slight trend in this warming of temperatures. And as we move into next Thursday, we're actually going to be seeing a high in the mid-50s. So definitely is going to be feeling a lot different than it will the next couple days as we move into Thursday. And that's going to wrap up our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope you guys have a great weekend, great time spent with some family, hopefully. We are going to be taking some time off as well. We will be back with our forecasts on Tuesday at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. And Merry Christmas.